Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I am trying out beauty secrets that I saw celebrities doing in their Vogue videos. If you guys don't know, Vogue will regularly have celebrities come on and do their makeup routine, their skincare routine, and I think it's kind of cool to watch because like celebrities were the influencers before influencers. Like of course they're still influencers, but you guys know what I'm saying. So I feel like it's kind of cool to see what they do, especially since so many of them spend so much time getting their makeup done by other people. Like when they're on their own and they have to do their own face, it's kind of cool to see what they do, and you do learn some cool little tips that you didn't think of before. Like you guys know, I started doing foundation on foundation after seeing Megan Thee Stallion do it, and I love that technique. So I was watching and I saw some other things I want to try, so I'm going to do that in this video. Now today's video is sponsored by Armani Beauty, so I'll be pretty much doing a full face of Armani, and I feel like it's fitting because y'all know like Luminous Silk Foundation is a lot of not just celebrities but celebrity makeup artists like favorite foundation, red carpet events, magazines, stuff like that. So I feel like it's fitting for this video. So because I'm excited to see how my face looks by the end of this video, let's go. So my brows aren't done, which isn't normal for me. I usually do them off camera, but that's because I'm just jumping right into the first secret, which is from Saweetie. I was watching her video and she actually uses primer on her brows. Like the same primer she uses on her face, she also applies over her brows. And it's like I can see the logistics of that and like how that might make sense. So I'm going to try that today with their Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer. So I'm going to take this and apply it in my T-zone area where I would usually apply primer, but then I'm just going to give my brows a hydrating. I like the hydrating primers where you feel like a little cool sensation on your face when you first apply it. I don't know, for me in my head, like that somehow tells me that it's giving more hydration than one that wouldn't do that. So after I rub this in to my face, I'm gonna take whatever I have left over and just go through my brows. Look at that. Nice and hydrated, nice, smooth, moisturized, and hopefully that'll help with this area right above my eyebrow, because even before I got them microbladed, like this area is kind of dry skin. You know, I have oily combo, so hopefully that helps that area right there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna do them off camera just to save us some time. And because I'm taking brow advice from Saweetie, I'm gonna do what she also does, which is a little concealer on the top of my brows, which I usually wouldn't do, but hello. What cracks me up about celebrities is they'll spend so much time doing their brows. I gotta make sure they're at least sisters, if not twins, carving, matching, all that. And then they get to eyeshadow and they're like, listen, you're gonna get this little shimmer on my eye and call it a day. Okay, and legit, like no brushes, no eye primer, no concealer, nothing. Literally just stick your finger in there, throw some of this on, call it a day. And that's hilarious to me because like you watch influencers and makeup artists and they're like, you need this small brush and then this fluffy brush and then, you know, you place this color right here and this, and they don't even, like, eye shapes don't even have to be the same. Literally just throw it on and go. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I do have a little color on my little outer area, but then I'm going to use, so I'm gonna stick with that, you know, kind of like soft glam celebrity face today. So I'm gonna use this shade 39 in their eye tint and just throw some of that on. They love using their fingers, so I'm gonna use my finger today and legit just be wait a minute, let me find out. I don't find a nice little color combination that can be an easy everyday. Maybe they made points in just keeping it simple. Just throwing it on and go. So I already primed my face. I'm gonna move on to foundation. If you've been here for a minute, I don't know if you guys remember the foundation hunt when I did this. I feel like that was 2017, 18, somewhere around that. It's very natural finish foundation again, which is why I think like a lot of celebrities like it, because a lot of them, because of how, you know, busy, like all over the place, flying here, going there, all that, they have to do, like they keep it simple on their face. So it makes sense why a lot of them would like it. It is a very natural finish foundation, but I don't know if you guys remember me saying that this is one of those foundations where it mixes perfectly with everything else that you try it with, especially for my oily skin out there. Y'all know I'm an oily skin girl who likes her a still natural soft matte type finish. So to get that, this is like one of the perfect foundations to mix with your matte foundations, because you'll get the oil control from the matteness, but you'll get the nice little natural but still glow from within type skin with this. So I'm just gonna use this for today, but you know, especially since like we're in winter, so I don't really need that much matteness, oil control, no, matteness on my face. But this is in the shade 14. It comes in 40 shades. Okay. Ooh. Another thing they do is legit just apply to their face from the bottle. Y'all know I don't do a lot with foundation, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. So I kind of ignored this area, which I actually usually do if I do foundation before concealer, just so I don't have that much product on my under eye. But especially today, because the next secret is from Toni Braxton. I have never seen concealer applied that way, so I was like, I gotta try it. So I'm gonna use the Luminous Silk Concealer. I use the shade 11.75. So what she does with her concealer is she applies it all under her eyes. So I'm gonna do that. Just apply it all down here, over here, and then she connects it across her nose with her concealer. I'm gonna do a little teeny tiny bit of this lighter shade, 8.75, just right, literally a little bit right in there, a little there. Okay, I've literally never seen concealer applied this way, but I'm gonna trust the process because I trust Toni. We'll see by the end of this if that trust was earned. So far, I don't see an issue. I feel like it blended out well. I don't know. Maybe we have to wait until we get to the end of the video, but she might be onto something. Let's see. Since I have it and my eyes are on the brown side today, I'm going to use their Smooth Silk Eye Pencil in 2, which is like brown. Brown liner, just, it does something for me. So I'm going to use their liquid blush in 53. It swatches like that. I do have another secret to try. It's from Nina Dobrev. Her video was interesting. Some of them maybe should have been kept a secret, but she did do something that I want to try. So she says when she's using like really pigmented blushes, she'll apply the blush. So I'm gonna just get some blush on the back of my hand. There, enough. And then she'll take some of her foundation and kind of dilute the blush a little bit so that it's there on her cheek, but I guess blends into her foundation a little more. I'm literally only gonna do like a drop of foundation, like that much. So then mix it up a bit. I think I want a little more blush. Yeah, actually no, let's go with that. And then just start kind of dotting it on. And the last secret I have to try is from Janae Aiko. So you guys know I don't really do highlighter on the sides of my face anymore, but she uses highlighter like right here. Not like it as an inner corner highlight, but like right here along her nose. So I want to try that with their Fluid Sheer in the shade 11. I'm a little nervous because I've never done that before, so I don't know how this is gonna go, and I'm kind of digging how my face is looking right now, so I don't want to mess it up. But I gotta try the secrets. I don't remember if she used a brush or her fingers. Probably a brush. Okay, so I've got some on the back of my hands, and I guess I'll use a brush. I literally have the smallest amount because I'm in fear of how this is gonna go, and just kind of start blending it in here. Okay, I think the color blends in with the eye look that I already have on, so that's a, oh wait, maybe I'm not mad at it. It's adding a little something. Good on a little, because again, we didn't know how this was gonna go, and I think I might just use this as an outer corner color as well, an inner corner color as well. I'm just gonna get some of the mascara on my bottom lashes. And that is it for my face. Most of them just keeping it gloss, not even like pigmented gloss, straight up clear gloss. So let's call it a day at that. But listen, the girls might have given us some tips on the face. Okay, the one I was most worried about was concealer, but I feel like even that like balanced itself out and looks nice by the end of the look. Okay, I have to try that again, maybe with like different shades of concealer, I'm gonna have to try that again. But I'm not mad how my face came out. You know, when you go, again, I've said this before, when you go back to products that you used to use and you try them again, you're like, why did I stop using this? Okay, Armani. Okay, especially with this foundation, it's giving me like very red carpet. It's giving me very walking down to have Thanksgiving dinner with your family and being the Beyonce of the family walking into the room. That's what it's giving me. You already know this is one of my favorite concealers. Just keeps my under eye area hydrated. Looks nice under there. They've got some shades that I like, more than one shade that I can use on my under eye if I want to conceal on my face, or if I want to like really highlight with that lighter shade that I used. These little eye tint things, I'm gonna have, they have a nice little like sheen to them, where it's not like a straight up shimmer all in your face type thing, but it's not straight up matte either. Like if you're really close in my face, which 6 feet you shouldn't be, but if you are, you can see little like little flecks of shimmer in there, so that's kind of cool. But I want to see if there's like a light dusty pink, because that could be a look. And besides looking for specific shades, it's really simple on the eyes. 2 things on my eye, call it a day and go about your business. So okay, I'm walking away kind of intrigued, kind of happy with how this look turned out. There are a whole lot more celebrities on there telling their secrets, so let me know if you guys would want another video like this, testing out different things. And let me know, if you've seen those videos, if you've seen any secret that you want me to try in the comments down below. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope I put you on to a secret that I was just recently put onto. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.